After we power on the printer and we connect wire the Ethernet cable with the computer, then we start to set Ethernet cable, the IP address for the printer and the computer. We go to Ethernet cable, go to Internet icon, and go to Set Internet. We find out Ethernet and change adapt the setting. We go to Ethernet port, right-click the mouse, choose Property, and here we find TCP/IP4. Double-click. We put the IP address as this: 192.192.168.1.109, and the U code is 255.255.255.0, and DNS 192.168.110 and 1. Put like this, and then we confirm and confirm. After we set the IP address, then we open the control software. Find out print the engine, Singlepass, and then it will show connected at the right button. It show connected, and also it will show number 1 to number 10 board all are connect wire succeeds. That means the board is working well. And then we go to voltage. Here we can see each control board. Board 1 have 2 heads, head ID 1 and 2, and head 1 with temperature. We got the current temperature 25 degrees, and head 2 is no temperature. All 001 means no temperature. Other board and head no temperature. So we go to computer. You can see now we already installed one print head to the first control board and the first support. That means the connection is good because we already get the current temperature by 25 degrees. And other head we have no connection. That means no connection, we have no get the current temperature. After we install all the print head, we must be sure all the head from head ID 0, 1 to 20 all must be got the current temperature. That means the print head install wire. If no temperature show on the software, we need to check the head cable connection is good or wrong connection, or the print head get faulty. So this is all the procedure to power on the printer and set IP address and load the media and open the control software to detect, to check the power, the board connection and the cable print head cable connection. Thank you.